Alright, so this is doing the thing where I make the printer that we're doing repairs and upgrades to print its own parts. So we are, the more I use this thing, the more I hate it. But if you notice, I've already changed out the power supply. The little 350 watt, meanwhile, does just fine to replace the crappy thing. Works great. I already got a video shot. I'll be posting it later. One thing I will say is, if we notice, this LCD screen is mounted on a very long cable that goes all the way back to the control box, okay? So we're going to make a new mount that goes right here, because the longer you go on these cables, the more potential issues with interference they have. So we're going to put it on the left side here. That's what this is printing. The first, well, I think second. I don't know. I've revised this a couple times. It's printing a mount. We're going to put a screen right here. Nice little 12864. Get rid of this piece of garbage and then put some proper firmware on here, because this doesn't even respond to a G29 correctly. Check our YouTube channel. I'm going to be posting a video showing what happened when I first tried to use this with a print I sliced. But all in all, despite all my bitching, I really like this printer. So, also, the adapter for the 5015 duct is printed. So I'll be doing a video on this as well, and we'll be adding this to the 5015 pack. So don't buy it yet from our site, where you got to update our stock. But our 5015 packs will have the bracket for the Plus and the regular one in them soon. So we'll be posting when we make that update. So don't buy it right now, but eventually we will be putting these in there. I'm working on it, okay? I'm one guy. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye. Bye, Tic Tac.